So in this MacBook tutorial video, I will be showing you how to increase display contrast on the MacBook. So once the system settings options opened up, I want you to go down here to where it says accessibility. Then once you're here under vision, I want you to go to where it says display. Then on this page right here, there's a bunch of different options here, but if you were to go to display contrast just like this, you can go ahead and actually slide this bar to increase the contrast. As you can tell, this is the maximum, which I'm not sure why you would have it like this, but you can also go ahead and do that. And you can slide the bar all the way to the right and make it normal. So you can go ahead and increase it, decrease it, do what you got to do. But if you want to edit the display contrast, it's right here under accessibility and the display tab. So that is how to adjust or I guess increase display contrast on the MacBook. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this helps.